Hi, today we are going to be multiplying and dividing fractions. To multiply two fractions together, multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together. For our example, we will be doing 3 times 5 over 2 times 3. In order to multiply the fractions together, we multiply the top two numbers together and then the bottom two numbers together. This means we will be doing 3 times 2 over 5 times 3. This will give you 6 over 15. However, we mustn't stop there, as the final answer can still be simplified. To simplify, we can divide the top and bottom by 3, which gives us 2 over 5. For our second example, we will be multiplying mixed fractions. Our example is 2 1/3 times 1 1/2. In order to convert them into improper fractions, we must multiply the whole number by the denominator, then add it to the numerator. So for the first fraction, we will do 2 times 3 plus 1. And then for the second one, we will be doing 1 times 2 plus 1. This will give us 7 over a third times 3 over 2. Now we can times the fractions by normal. We times the numerators together and the denominators together to give us 7 times 3 over 3 times 2. This gives us 21 over 6. Again, we mustn't stop there, as the final answer fraction can still be simplified. We can take out a common factor of 3 to give us 7 over 2. Since the question contains mixed numbers, we should convert the final answer to a mixed number to give us 3 1/2. Now on to dividing fractions. To divide two fractions, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. This means simply that the divide sign is swapped for a multiply sign and the second fraction is flipped upside down. Our example is 3 over 5 divided by 2 over 3. Again, to find the reciprocal, you flip this fraction on the right hand side upside down and you swap out the divide sign for a multiplying sign. This will give us 3 over 5 times 3 over 2. Now we can simply times the fractions by timesing the top two numbers together and timesing the bottom two numbers together. This will give us 3 times 3 over 5 times 2. This gives us 9 over 10. Unlike the other two examples, this final answer cannot be simplified any further, so we shall leave it as 9 over 2. Again, to divide two fractions together, we must find the reciprocal of the right-hand fraction.